Freedmen's Town was the place that once emancipation was announced, folks from Texas and Louisiana migrated, came here.
And they took their boots and their shoes and whatever they could carry in their hand, and they came to Freedmen's Town.
Within a year, they had already established Antioch Missionary Baptist Church, which was the first African-American church in Houston.
The Gregory School, which was the first freed schools for people of African descent, is a physical structure that you can visit. The streets, the schools, the churches, the homes, they're still existing. And historians believe Houston has the largest space reflecting people of African descent in Freedmen's Town.
And then when you're able to walk through and see the homes and see the streets, all of a sudden this becomes real. This doesn't become some relic of the past and something in a history book that used to be. History is very real, especially when it's intact.
And we are here to promote and preserve African American history and culture.
So what we'll have here is only the second of its kind in the United States, a trail that acknowledges the African American experience.
Being included in the UNESCO Slave Route Project is important not only to the city, but to the nation.
We're going to have a very, very vibrant community and a resurgence and a restoration of the history and the story of Freedmen's Town.